No fucking way. I don't want to touch that shit. Bro, guys, the exhaust. Alright, so there was no shot I was taking that hot exhaust pipe with me back all the way to where we're at. Yeah, I know. It sucks. But it's gonna work, and we're gonna make it back. See if this works and I can actually ride this shit. Oh my god, bro, the way it sounds. It's bopping out. Come on, guys. I don't even know where I am. I'm still lost. Come f***ing on, dude. I don't even know where the f*** to go. Boys, I don't think she's starting. She sounds dead. And I just got the fucking shorty pipe right here just chilling. Fuck, man. Why'd I do? Why'd I go alone? I said, fuck that. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just go. And not wait for nobody. It's like, dude, I start ripping without Gavi, and then se fue. I don't know where he went. And it's just done. Yeah, I'm fucked, bro. Shit, do not want to fucking. Yeah, bro, she's cooked. I think we're cooked, yo. Alright, guys, moral of the story, I've been here for like an hour waiting, no one's came up. I'm gonna get pulled by this guy with the side-by-side. He's gonna get us out of here. Hopefully.